Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Roy with Roy's Life. Just want to introduce you to another video. Then this video I'm going to explain a little bit of what I do for a living. I'm an entrepreneur, business owner. I actually own several businesses. This one that I want to introduce you to is XL, Geothermal AC and Heat LLC. I established this company about 3 years ago. In this company, we install air conditioning systems. They're very green, very energy efficient, and they're in high demand. We're a company that specializes in installing these systems. They're very different from a regular air conditioning system, but I'll get into the details of that system in another video. Right now, I just wanted to introduce you to a portion of my company. This is my building here. I've got several employees. I've got several employees many employees where we do what we do here. But at this time, I just want to introduce you to my installation crews. These are some of my guys here. A few of my trucks that we have for the company. I've got a few guys that are service technicians, a few that are installers. We've got a few that are also drillers. It takes all these different guys and all these different crews to be able to do what we do. And like I mentioned, this is just an overview, and in other videos I'll get more in depth with what we do and how we do it. But I've got a few guys here, like I mentioned, drillers, technicians, installers, and service crew. Okay, well, just wanted to choose that portion. Thank you for watching. We all got to get to work. All right, guys, let's get to work. Again, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. This is Roy. You've been watching videos from Roy's Life, my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being so kind. I got to get to work as well. Bye.